A county court judgment or CCJ can have a negative impact on your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even a phone contract. As surprising it may sound, many people don't even realize that they have a CCJ registered against their name, or they simply ignore them. Hi everyone, this is Ash Ajaz, and in today's episode I will answer the 5 most common questions as they relate to CCJs. Let's get started. A creditor can apply for a CCJ against you if they think you won't repay the debt. It is a court order which can be issued against the borrower's name. It is preceded by a default note at least 14 days prior. Once a CCJ is registered, you have the following options: pay back full amount straight away, ask to pay back in installments, dispute the claim, or claim against the creditor. If you ignore a CCJ, the court may take more serious action. If you ignore a CCJ, the court can take more serious actions. These can be warrant of execution, which means sending bailiffs to collect the owed money or collecting the goods to be sold. Attachment of earnings, which means the creditor can ask directly to be paid from your wages. And a charging order, which means if the debt is secured, the asset can be repossessed. Your CCJ is recorded on a public register called Register of Judgments, except if you pay off the full amount within 30 days of the date of issue, or prove to the court that the CCJ was issued in an error. However, if recorded, it will remain on your records for 6 years and can have a negative impact on your credit score. You can write to the 3 credit reference agencies to remove the CCJ from your record if you can prove that you paid the full amount within 30 days, you disputed the CCJ and it was cancelled, and an insurance company was responsible for the debt. If it has been 6 years since you received the CCJ, it should automatically be removed from your records. However, do check your credit report. Once you have repaid your CCJ, it will be marked as satisfied but will remain on your file for 6 years. A satisfied CCJ still looks better than outstanding CCJ. However, getting credit at cheaper rates will be a challenge. There are steps you can take to improve your credit score, which you can find out more by clicking the eye above my head and checking out another helpful video on this channel. Hope you found today's episode useful and it made you understand the seriousness of a CCJ and ways to avoid them. Please be sure to check out some of the other helpful videos appearing on your screens right now. Subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.